Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're starting right now? Confirm your device type and that notifications or widgets won't block the icon. Once done, close the app if running and press and hold the app icon until options appear. On iOS, you'll see Edit Home Screen or a contextual menu. On Android, you'll get drag handles and a remove option. Hold steady, because how you tap or drag now determines whether the app is removed from the screen or uninstalled from the device. Now remove the icon without deleting the app. On iOS, choose Remove from Home Screen. That sends it to the app library so the app stays installed. On Android, drag the icon to the Remove area or tap Remove. Avoid uninstall unless you want it gone entirely. If a folder contains the app, open it first, then remove. Make sure to check App Library or All Apps to confirm the app remains available if you simply hit it rather than uninstalling. Finish by exiting Edit Mode and scanning the home screens to confirm the icon is gone. If it reappears, restart the device and clear the home or launcher cache, because cached layouts can restore icons, then repeat the removal. If your goal was deletion, go to App Settings or the Store and choose Uninstall. Otherwise, leave it in the App Library or App Drawer. One quick troubleshooting tip. Log out of any third-party launcher sync before removing icons to prevent automatic restoration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.